Kiss. Beautiful eyes. Hug. Hug na, hug. Hug. Tama na. Higpit naman ako hug na yan. Tadadadan, tadadadan. Love you. Mamu.
Mamu. Bebas po. Hatay. Sumibas. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello po, Mamo. Happy birthday po. Salamat po. Nami-wish na po namin ikaw. Hi, Mamo. Happy birthday po. Salamat po sa inyo. I love you. Ingat po kayo dyan. Happy birthday, Mamo. Happy birthday, Mamo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mamo. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi, Mamu. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Mag-iingat po kayo dyan. Salamat po sa lahat. We love you po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday sa atin, Mama. Love you. Sabihin. Happy birthday, Mamo. Love you.
Hey ma, happy birthday. Wish ko po sana matupad lahat ng pangarap nyo, ang gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay. At kung magkakaroon nga po kayo ng kapartner, sana po yung pangmatagalan na at yung aalagaan kayo at gagawin kayong prinsesa. Thank you po kasi lagi kayong andyan pag kailangan namin kayo, lalo na po sa financial. At thank you rin po kasi lagi kayong nandyan para gabayan kami sa lahat. Thank you po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Ma! Wish you all the best in life. So, yun, alam kong nahirapan ka na sa amin, lalo sa mga anak mong lalaki, pero wala kang no choice kasi palalab mo kami. So, ayun, mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to at alam mo naman na mahal ka namin. Love you!
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Dang! More birthdays to come. God bless!
Hello, Danziret. May nag-message sa akin na may gagawa ng ganito. Kaya ito ang aking wish sa iyong birthday. On this day, may you gifted with life biggest joy and never-ending bliss. And remember, you are capable of achieving anything you put on your mind. 2. And happy birthday and more blessings to come. Again, happy birthday and good life. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, sister. Good morning. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Long life. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Hi girl, just a greeting for your birthday. Happy birthday, Hilda. Wish you all the best. Pagbutihin mo pa ang iyong pagsayaw. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo. Smile. Wish you all the best. Long life, mabuhay ka pa hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Ay, ate ganda. Happy 25th birthday, Char. More blessing. God bless. Stay healthy lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi, Dai. Happy birthday. Hope always good health and many birthdays to come. And I hope always good health. Bitaw, Dai. Isa lang hiling ko nga, sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Lahat. Tapos, sana kung makatagpo ka na ng lalaki, handang nagmahal sa'yo at handang sumuporta sa'yo. And, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, sabi nga ni Kuya. Diba? Happy, sana enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And, God bless you always. Love you. Ingat ka lagi.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Atidang. I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you that you have a lot of birthdays coming to your life. Enjoy your day today and be humble. Always faith in yourself. Be happy always and be strong to the problems that it has came to your life that you encounter every single day. Thank you so much, and thank you for being understanding to me. Thank you for being naughty sometimes. Thank you again. Don't worry, we can meet another days. I was trying for, but even the schedule is very tough to me, but I'm just trying for. Thank you very much for appreciation. Thank you for the patient. That's what I'm gonna say for you. Thank you and enjoy and have a good health to your life, okay? So thank you and bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Tita Dang. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka po palagi. Wish ko ay sana lalong lumago pa ang YouTube channel mo. Lagi nang support si Yuki para sa'yo. Hintay na lang kita pag-uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas. Yun lang po, ingat. Bye-bye!
Hi, Tita Dang! Happy birthday po! God bless you more po. And ingat po palagi. We miss you po!
Hi ma! Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. Huwag mong pabayaan ang sarili mo po. And love ka namin palagi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go.